Good day everyone. So I just want to share with you the Gucci Killer Gold Match Sleeper Year Build Gold Match for Sir of Mindanao. So ito siya. Napakasimple. Parang stock gold match lang siya. Pero hindi siya technically hindi siya gold match kasi standard slide to ng 5.1 PM high kappa. So wala yung portings dito. I do not recommend the slide of gold match to be used for sleeper build kasi weak yung dito niya. Weak part yung dito because of the portings. So share natin, pakita natin. So we're using stock and the stock front and rear sight. Of course, gold match frame and the high kappa grip. And the controls are all stock. Trigger, grip safety, thumb safety, hammer. So, pakita natin ito. So, ito lang. Yung trigger, ang minodify ko lang dito is yung trigger pull niya. So, ayan, ito siya. So, ayan. Ulitin natin. So, ayan. So, dito naman sa slide is ito. Kaya siya sleeper build because you will never know that this unit is modified until you fire it. So, sleeper build. Sa personal appearance, physical appearance, stock siya. But, after firing it, yun. That's when you will discover na uy, hindi pala siya stock. So, kaya siya sleeper build. So, ito. We're using stock gold match guide rod and 4.3 guide plug. 4.3 guide plug. 4.3 guide plug, stock recoil spring, then apat na lima to. 5 AIP buffers and tag dito metal washer. If you notice, more on gray buffers. So these are soft buffers kasi plastic slide. And stock guide rod, stock TM gold match guide rod. And we're using Dr. Black fixed threaded outer barrel. We're using also stock TM chamber, and we're using Lambda made in Japan. Lambda is made in Japan, inner barrel, and my number one recommended hop rubber dynamic precision. So ito, Dr. Black fixed threaded outer barrel, and we're using, of course, Edge speed nozzle and the Edge standard blowback housing with the custom FKM O-ring inside. And the AIP, of course, AIP hammer pad. Yun lang ang ginagamit ko. And yung nozzle spring niya, AIP 140%. The only nozzle spring we recommend. So, yun. Then, yung bakal dito is galing yan sa gold match slide. So, nilipat lang namin. So, yun lang. Wala namang secret dito. Walang secret. So, ayan. I-assemble natin. Subukan natin i-assemble. Ulit. Kung makikita nyo, hindi siya naliligo sa oil, ano, sa silicone oil. Kasi silicone grease yung ginagamit ko sa ibang parts. And then, minimal silicone oil lang yung ginagamit ko. RC Shock Oil. RC Shock Oil yung ginagamit ko, of course. Kung gusto nyo, I have available. 100 pesos lang to 100 ml. So, hindi ito yung hangin ang laman. So, pure silicone oil. Sulit ang pera. So, yan. Yan lang. Yan lang siya. Kwan nga pala, piece of advice, sleeper build is strictly for 12 kg. Do not use 14 kg. Plastic slide, remember. Thank you very much.